Hello everyone! Welcome back to Algorithm with Chelsea. Today we will learn Python string basics. A string is how Python stores text. We will learn how to join strings, pick one character, take a slice, and convert a number into text. Let's begin. A string is just text in Python. To write text, we put it inside quotation marks. We can use double quotes or single quotes. In these examples, name, pet, and greeting store text. An empty string is text with nothing inside. Now we learn concatenation. Concatenation means joining strings together. In Python, we join strings using the plus sign. In this example, first name is Chelsea, and last name is Wang. They are both strings. We join first name and last name into one string using the plus sign. Let's see the output. When we join the first name Chelsea and the last name Wang with the plus sign, Python puts them right next to each other. So it prints Chelsea Wang with no space in the middle. This works only when we join a string with another string. If we want a space in the middle, we can add a space as its own string. A space is one blank character inside quotation marks. So we join three strings, first name, then a single space, then last name. Now the output is Chelsea Wang with a space in the middle. That is because we concatenated three strings, first name, a single space, last name. Now your turn. First name is Harry and last name is Potter. We join the first name, then a single space, then the last name. What will the program print? Pause the video and predict the output. Let's check. It prints Harry Potter. We join the word Harry, then a single space, then the word Potter. Next, we take one character from a string. Each character has an index, which means its position. We use square brackets with an index to get one character. Here is an example with the text A, B, C, D, E, F. Word at index 0 is A. Word at index 1 is B. Word at index 2 is C. Remember, Python starts counting from 0, not 1. Let's look at the index chart. The indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep in mind that Python starts counting from 0, not 1. The letters are A, B, C, D, E, F. So word at index 0 is A. Word at index 1 is B. Word at index 2 is C. Index tells us which position to take. Now we learn slicing. A slice takes a piece of a string, not just one character. Python uses square brackets for slicing. We write start, colon, stop, inside square brackets. Here are the rules. Start is included. Stop is not included. And Python counts indices from 0. Now a slicing question. In the Python program, word is a string storing 6 characters, A, B, C, D, E, F. First, we print the slice from index 0 up to, but not including, index 2. Second, we print the slice from index 2 up to, but not including, index 6. What will the two lines print? Pause the video and predict the output. Let's look at the index chart. Check using A, B, C, D, E, F and their indices. The slice is from index 0 up to 2, but not including 2. Index 0 and 1 are A and B, so the first slice prints A, B. The slice is from index 2 up to 6, but not including 6. So the actual indices are 2, 3, 4, 5. At the indices are characters C, D, E, F, so the second slice prints C, D, E, F. Remember, the stop index is not included. Sometimes we have an integer number and we want it as a string. We convert a number to text using the function str. In this example, age is an integer, 11. We want to convert age to a string. str parentheses age outputs a string. Name the string as age text. Now we check types of the two variables, age and age text. We can print type of age and type of age text. This tells us what Python thinks each value is. Here is the output. Python shows that age is class int, and age_text is class str, meaning a string. Now, a common mistake. In the Python code, age is an integer, 11. The next line tries to join string and integer using the plus sign. I am is a string. Age is an integer. Years old is a string. Python doesn't allow joining string with integer. So this code will cause an error. Python raises an error called type error. It is telling us, you can only concatenate strings with strings. You cannot concatenate a string with an integer. To fix it, we convert the number to text first. Age is an integer, 11. Str of age is a string. Now every part we join with plus is a string. So the code will work. We get message. It is also a string. Now it prints message. I am 11 years old. If you want to join string with integer, you need to first use str to convert integer to string. Now your turn again. Apples equals 5 is an integer. The expected output is, I have 5 apples. What should go in the blank? You can't directly put the integer variable apple in the blank. Python would raise type error. The blank should be str of apples. In this way, the plus signs concatenate string with string. Then the program prints, I have 5 apples. Great job. Let's review. A string is text inside quotation marks. We use the plus sign to concatenate strings. Plus can only concatenate strings. If you try to concatenate strings with numbers, Python will raise type error. Instead of direct concatenating string with number, first use str to convert the number into a string. 2 more key ideas, index and slice. Index lets us take one character using square brackets. Python starts counting from 0. Slice lets us take a substring using start:/stop. Start is included, and stop is not included. This concludes our lecture. Thank you for watching. Follow the GitHub link below to download the slides and worksheet for today's lecture. Please subscribe to Algorithm with Chelsea so you won't miss future updates.